Want pizza with a crispy, chewy crust and a wonderful smoky flavor? Then put your pie on the grill. Here are the tips for making the best grilled pizza. The crust is the star, and the first step to creating perfect crust is to par bake the pizza dough on your grill. Step 1, prepare the grill for high heat. You can oil the grill grate, but it's not strictly necessary. 2, dust foil with flour or cornmeal. Lightly sprinkle a sheet of foil with flour or cornmeal so the dough won't stick. 3, shape the dough into a 14-inch circle, either stretching it by hand or using a rolling pin on the foil sheet. 4, put the pizza dough directly on the grill and over the flames. 5, grill one side, just long enough to firm up the crust so you can move it easily. After 2 or 3 minutes, give it a little tug. It should move easily. If it sticks, give it another minute or so. Don't worry if the dough droops a little though, it'll firm up fast. 6, remove with tongs. Once the crust has set, it should be easy to pull off the heat with tongs or a spatula. Place pizza crust on another sheet of foil. 7, add your toppings. For toppings, choose a few simple ingredients that can showcase the smoky flavor and crispy crust. Or go minimalist on it. Top the grilled bread with a brushing of good olive oil, a sprinkling of coarse sea salt, and a bit of chopped fresh herbs. 8, back to the grill. Grill the topped pizza on foil until the cheese melts and the toppings are heated through. Depending upon the heat of the grill and the size of your pies, this can take 2 to 10 minutes. If your grill has cooled dramatically, you might need to cover it with a lid to finish the cooking. Now let's eat! Everyone loves pizza, and with the added smoky flavor from the grill, you'll be cooking pizza this way all the time. By using the foil, it makes cooking, cleaning up, and wrapping leftovers a breeze. Pizza perfection!